Okay, so hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is AUDJPY Freeman, and this channel I hope to be able to provide you with long-term analysis and setups on what the market might be looking like for the week. If you're here, I would love that you click on the subscribe button and as well click on the notification icon so that you'll be notified for every news analysis that I drop and every new forecast that I make. And if you're a returning subscriber, I want to say thank you so much for staying with me. Thank you for staying with us. And I look forward to providing you valuable content every week. Without further ado, let's get right into it. So right now we're going to be looking at a chart of Aussie, Japanese yen, AUDJPY. All right, and then let's see what the market has in store for us for this week from a technical view. Okay, so from a technical point of view, this is on the daily time frame. We can see that market is somewhat bullish. All right. However, I'm saying that this might be this could also be an indication of a bearish reversal. So we're going to take it lower to the 4 hours time frame and see if there's any clarity into that. And on the 4 hours time frame, we see that this has been this is what has happened as of last week. We had an imbalance getting filled and price came into that other block. And then we have this drop that is running straight down at the moment. We had a change of character somewhere around here. Somewhere around here. Price broke below that area, so we had break of structure, and then currently we've also had a possible break of character. So what we want to see possibly, all right, what I'll be looking out for would be probably an entry from somewhere around here, and an entry from maybe somewhere around here for AUDJPY. And the reason for that would be this. Okay, the reason for that would be that. And then I'm also going to take this lower to, say, the 1 hour time frame. Let's see what price is saying on the 1 hour time frame. So on the 1 hour time frame, there's a possibility that we have this. Okay, we've had this movement. We've had that movement. We've had liquidity being grabbed. We've had liquidity being grabbed. Sorry, I deleted that. We've had a very clean liquidity grab, and then at this point, this is one of the reasons why this is a POI that I'm actually looking out for. All right, so I'm watching to see price do this and then continue lower, possibly into and then continue lower into probably the zone. Okay, probably into this zone, because if we come lower to, say, the 3 minutes, if we come lower to the 3 minutes, we realize that price is okay. Let's do 15 minutes first so that we can see this clearly. So we've had we've had those equal lows. Okay, and then we've had this interesting movement of markets, all right, to basically grab liquidity. So what I'll be watching out for mostly is we're watching out for a move that initially breaks this trend line. Okay, a move that initially breaks that trend line, then returns into this POI. Okay, and then from there I would also be looking to take a buy all the way back up. At least my first target would be somewhere around here. And this would be my stop loss. And that's for a very neat 5 reward. Okay, that would be for a very neat 1 to 5 risk to reward. The other block here would be the most important part to watch out for. So maybe move my entry up here, tighten my stop loss, because I really want to see either this other block or this this price where we have the equal lows. I really want to see it retested and reacted. I really want to see it react. So that would be my target, and then I would be, for my target, I will be looking around somewhere here. Okay, for my initial target. So this is a swift 1 to 9 risk to reward trade, and I'm really looking forward to it. I'm really looking forward to seeing it play out. Okay, and we could also have this as an other option. We would have this as a second option, where price returns into this level. All right, and that would be a 1:13, 1:14 risk to reward. Yes, 1:14 risk to reward. So either of those two are where my money is, where I'm banking my money on. So that's for AUDJPY. All right, so that's my outlook on AUDJPY. All right, so I look forward to hearing your reviews. If you have a question, if you have a comment, please do drop it in the comment section. Let me know what you think about these biases. Let me know what you think about my setups, my analysis. All right, and overall, let me just get to connect. Let's connect. Tell me what you see. Let's interact, and then I can know how better to serve you. So thank you very much for visiting my YouTube channel today. I look forward to seeing you around a lot much more. So till when next, do well to check the rest of my videos on this channel, at least for this week. And till I come your way again, I remain Adetola Freeman, and have yourself a lovely rest of the day. Thank you.